Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. I just got a package in the mail, so let's open it together and see what's inside. It's my first order from Boujie Drip. Look how cute this business card is. Here's their website, bougiedrip.com, and you can follow them on Instagram at Boujie Drip. Here's another little card. I actually ordered 2 items, so it looks like they sent me a gift. Let's see what I got. Let me take these out of the packaging. They're very well packaged. The 2 items that I ordered are their Cuticle Oil, which smells amazing. They have a bunch of different scents. First of all, their packaging. Look at this. It is stunning. The scent that I ordered is called Girls Just Want to Have Fun, and I think the name is so cute too. Now look at this. I saw it on their Instagram. It is gold, and it's beautiful. And it smells so good, like a tropical vacation. They have really cute descriptions of each of their scents in their website. And then the color that I picked is this gorgeous brown, perfect color for fall. And this one is called Savage. So here's the information on the label. And again, beautiful packaging. Let's open it up. Wow, look at this gorgeous brown shade. Let's do a quick swatch. So my camera was off when I was doing the swatch, but I did 1 coat here. And I'm going to cure in the lamp, and then I'll do a second coat on camera so you guys can see. All right, so let's do a second coat. Gorgeous, gorgeous shade. I'm in love with this brown. Now I'll cure for 1 minute. While that's curing, I wanted to show you the beautiful gift they sent me. It's their diamond top coat. And look how cute. You get the little diamonds here on the lid. So that's like a bonus. That's really cute. Since I did such thin coats, I think I'm going to apply a 3rd coat just to get the coverage that I want. Now I'm ready to apply the top coat. Look at that gorgeous shine. Let's go ahead and cure. And here it is after curing, and the top coat is a no wipe top coat, so it leaves a smooth finish on the nail. It looks gorgeous. And I wanted to show you guys the oil on the nails. So pretty. I love the little sparkle. It feels really nice, and I love this scent. It reminds me of a vacation, tropical vacation. That's all I have for you guys today. I love these products. I really love this brown polish. It's gorgeous, and the top coat was a beautiful gift that they sent me, so I'm really happy. The cuticle oil smells amazing, and it looks beautiful too. I'm excited to try these products and share them with you in future manicures. And if you want to see all the beautiful colors they carry, you can find them at bougiedrip.com. Check out the link in the description box of my video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!